everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Welcome to a new vlog. So it's been a couple weeks since I did a vlog and I thought I would show you some updates around the house. I have a little grocery shopping haul and just give you some updates because it's been a long time since my last Get Ready With Me. I might do another one soon, but I'm going to give you some updates in today's video just because it relates to the content I have coming up. So if you like vlogs, if you like cats, if you like home decor, if you like lifestyle content, keep on watching. We're going to get into it now. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not already, you should subscribe to my channel. I upload videos on Wednesdays and on Sundays, twice a week. All right, so while we're on the topic of my videos, let me get a little sip here. This is the AHA seltzer. It's just water, sparkling water. This one is in, what's the flavor here? Lime watermelon. I've been loving these. This is one of the things for my grocery trip that I'm going to show you everything I got. But speaking of my videos here, I wanted to mention though, I'm still planning on doing 2 videos a week. Today was my first day back to school. I'm a teacher for those of you that are new or might not know, and we are in person with kids all day, every day, starting today. So I'm gonna do my best to do 2 videos a week still, but I don't know if it'll be Wednesdays lifestyle and Sundays beauty. Like, I'm still gonna do both kinds of content, but it might not be that specific day, like of that specific type of content. You'll just have to look at the titles because now I find I have more time on the weekends to do like more lifestyle, going places, vlogging type things. So I might switch up what day I upload what type of content. I just wanted to mention that in case anybody was like, wait, I thought Wednesdays were lifestyle and Sundays were beauty, because that's kind of what I was doing. But at this point, I'm still going to do 2 videos a week, but it could be like one or the other alternated in whatever order works with my schedule right now, since I'm in work full-blown mode right now. All right, so let's do a little grocery haul. If you watched my last Get Ready With Me, I was trying to lose a bit of weight and sadly I was unsuccessful. I still have not lost any weight, and I honestly kind of stopped trying for a while just because I got very discouraged over it. But I have like some plans to change things up to try to make it better and to get where I want to be in my health and my fitness. So I'm gonna explain that here, but I am gonna be trying to do more of a keto lifestyle, not 100%, but doing better. I actually subscribe to these meals that are called Factor is the brand, that they send them to you pre-cooked. I really like HelloFresh and cooking the meals, and I know that Green Chef, I believe is the brand, does keto meals, so I might try those. But for lunch when I'm at school and I can't cook because I'm at work, I'm gonna try these Factor meals. But in the meantime, while those come, because I'm still waiting on them, I just got some pastrami and some chicken breasts that I can eat those. I already had here at home some of the, it looks like a tortilla, but it's made of cheese so that there's not as many carbs in it for keto. I do have to be careful with cheese though, because I am kind of sensitive. Also picked up some chicken thighs because I know Wes loves to have protein with every meal, and we're almost out of chicken. You guys will have to let me know, for those of you that are not in the US. This is from Kroger in the US, but do your stores do these where it's like a reduced price? Typically that means like it needs to be eaten in the next day or 2. I don't mind whatsoever buying stuff like this because it'll save me a couple bucks, and I will just eat it either that night or the next day, and it's not a big deal to me. But do your stores have that kind of like a discounted, like the expiration date hasn't passed but it's approaching, so you just have to eat it soon, but you can save some money on it? Do you guys have that, or is that just a US thing? I'd be curious to know. I got some Parmesan cheese for a casserole I'm planning on making later today. The casserole is not keto friendly, I will say, because it's a corn casserole, but I've been getting these crates from a local place. I'm almost done with the crates, but the crates weren't keto friendly, so I'm just using up what I have in the crates, and they come with these like weekly recipe cards. I've mentioned it in my vlogs in the past, so that's not keto, but I'm just trying to use it up because I did already pay for it. Got some 9-volt batteries because I have a microphone I used to teach in my classroom, and I realized today that it only has 1 bar of battery left. And I need it so that I can be heard over like 50 people in my choirs and teach. And then I got some chipotle chili pepper also for the corn casserole with the Parmesan cheese. And then this is the rest of it. I was so excited when I found this, you guys. This is all the stuff you need for a charcuterie board just done. Now, it was one of those where it was cheaper because it was close to the date. So honestly, I might just take this to work and snack on it for my breakfast and lunch. It's not totally keto friendly because it has cranberries and a little bit of like crackers up here. But the thing with keto is you're not supposed to have 0 carbs and sugar. It's just reduced and, you know, high protein. So I'll probably snack on this for my lunch and like breakfast and lunch throughout the day tomorrow. But it looks so good. I am that girl when it comes to charcuterie boards. Like, I'm basic. I like pumpkin spice lattes. I like charcuterie boards. I like Starbucks. I like Sperry's. Never really gotten to the Uggs moment, but the Sperry's. So yes, I am that basic girl. That is me. This is my happy place. Let me live. That's all I have to say about that. I got this. It's actually on sale. So Private Selection is Kroger's like fancy brand, but it's still Kroger brand. But this bacon, that's gonna go with a carbonara recipe that I have in one of those crates. I got some almond and coconut creamer. I wanted some creamer for my coffee, but I do have to be careful of how much dairy I eat because my stomach is pretty sensitive to dairy. Like, I will just get like cramps and a stomach ache if I have too much, so I have to be careful. So almond milk doesn't bother me, and coconut milk and oat milk is what we cook with a lot at home. I also got this flavor of the AHA. This is the blueberry and pomegranate. I love these. And then I haven't had them for a while, but they had them on sale for $1 each. I got the Pellegrino. This one is orange and prickly pear. And then I also got sparkling blood orange. I just love like seltzer waters. It makes me feel like I'm having a pop or something like fancy or special when I'm trying to do keto and I'm not drinking actual pop, but it's, you know, just better than water in my opinion. And then I got this chicken noodle soup. So because it's grain-free and gluten-free, it says paleo on it, but I looked at the carbs and it only has for the entire jar 8 carbs. So it's kind of high in sodium because it's soup, but all soups are like that. But I figured that'd be good for my lunch one day. I got this whole sack of limes. I only really wanted a couple, guys, but this is the only limes I could literally find in the entire grocery store. I'm not kidding. I could not find anything but this one sole bag of limes. It wasn't even a section of bags. One bag of limes. So that's what I got. That's for the corn casserole recipe thing as well. Salem's getting in the way. And then lastly, I picked this up. I'll probably put this in my like monthly beauty haul. It was only $2.59. I'm sure you guys have heard of this Batiste brand, but this is a waterless cleansing foam. So instead of a dry shampoo, it's legit like a foam that you like massage under your scalp. And I've never tried anything like that. So I thought it was interesting. For a couple bucks, I picked it up. So that is my grocery haul. That's kind of what I've been doing for groceries lately. So for breakfast, like I said, I might have something like this that I pack and kind of snack on throughout the day. Today I had a peach. Again, that's high in sugar, but that's what came in these little crate things that I was trying to use up, peaches. And then I made myself a lunch meat sandwich with cheese on like the specific low carb bread for lunch today. So I'll eat stuff like this, meat, stuff like the soup for lunch, stuff like the sandwiches either on low carb bread or like the cheese tortilla circle thing that you can wrap it up in until my factor meals start coming. So there's a little grocery haul for you guys. So in addition to trying to like shop a little bit better and doing like those factor meals, I also decided I just needed an equipment upgrade. I luckily was able to pay off my car last month, which is so exciting. I've been paying on it for like 5.5 years, I think. So it's totally paid off. So I had some money to play with, and that's the other good thing about my series. If you've seen the what's new and what's through in my collection and me on like the low buy, for me it's a low buy, or you know, budgeting myself, is I have money to spend in other areas. So I've wanted for years, and I can't even believe I did it, but I pulled the trigger and I bought a Peloton bike, you guys. It's coming the 31st, and I'm so excited to get into it in those live classes that they offer. I'm so excited. My elliptical I've had for like 4 years. I bought it used online for $100. It's done just fine, but I got the Bike Plus that has like the mats, the weights, the toe clips for the bike, and you can do a lot of different styles of classes and exercise and training with that system, or at least you're supposed to be able to. So I will definitely be letting you know more about my experience with that when it comes in and I start with that. But yeah, that's really exciting. So I think that's all for like the diet portion of stuff I wanted to share with you guys. I hate to call it a diet because I don't want it to be short term. Like, I want it to be a lifestyle, if that makes sense. I don't want to just like lose 20 pounds and then go back to what I was doing before. You know, I want it to be like a longevity thing where I can sustain this lifestyle to be healthy ultimately. Yes, lose weight, but be healthy ultimately. So I'm going to show you guys now a couple updates to the house since last time I showed you all, because I know some of you were interested in like the decor and stuff I had going on. So here in the kitchen by the fridge, sorry, I know the lighting is always terrible in this kitchen. That is one thing we have not updated or changed yet, but I got this cute little chalkboard. I got it at Target, and it's got little chalk you write on, then you can just erase it. But it's a little calendar, and I like the fact that it has like the border, it's not plasticky, it looks like wood, so it looks a little nicer in my opinion. So this is basically a calendar so Wesley knows where in the world I am, because he never can remember. Bachelorette party this weekend, woo! Shout out to my future sister-in-law. If you are watching this, our bachelorette parties this weekend. I'm so excited. We're supposed to ride a mechanical bull, which I've never done, so keep me in your thoughts, guys. Next up over here, I don't have it like fully decorated yet, but we did put up those floating shelves that I was talking to you guys about, and I really like them. I have these little jars. I have my little aloe plant that my mom gave me for my birthday because I didn't have anywhere that the cats would stop chewing it, and this was the perfect place. So right now I have just like these little containers and like this box that it's not super cute yet, but I want to decorate it more and maybe do some like spooky Halloween cuteness on these. Yeah, I wanted to show you that because we talked about it in the last vlog. Outside, I have all my plants in my raised bed that Corey built for me. He did such a good job, you guys. He's never built anything like this before, and he did amazing. I've got my bell pepper here. Look how big. Look how big this is. I got these from a fundraiser that the band at my school does, and they are doing so well. So this is a Barren Sweet bell pepper. Then I've got two going, one really big one and one little baby one coming in here. These are Banana Supreme Sweet Peppers. The chives are living their full fantasy because I love chives just on like soup or over a salad or anything. Love them. These should come back year after year. The other ones will be done. Back here we have jalapeno. It did have one on it, but I actually cut it off and ate it. It was ready to go, and no more have come on yet. Then we have here, we've got, do we have any coming on this one yet? No, I don't see any here yet. This is red Brandywine tomato, nothing here yet. We have these little babies coming in over here on the Sun Sugar tomatoes. And then there's a really thick guy back here coming in, and those are the big boy tomatoes. So I've got tomatoes and peppers and chives. So it's just a small little garden, but I like it, and I love making stir fry and just like chopping up peppers and things and throwing them in the skillet with some yum yum sauce or in cauliflower rice or something. So it's perfect for me. We didn't install the water barrel yet, so I don't have that to show you, but my brother came over and he power washed the house, and it looks so nice. We got all of this like mossy stuff. I don't know if you remember from last time down here off, he did like the actual concrete and stuff itself. So I just have a little chair here in the fire pit out yet. I haven't pulled out the patio furniture. Here's my deal with the patio furniture. They have cushions that I don't want to get wet, and I have a cover for the set, but it only covers the chairs like if you push them all together in the middle instead of having them arranged. I don't have like a box to store the cushions, so I'm trying to figure out what to do with the cushions in that situation so I can bring the patio furniture out but not have the cushions get soaked and wet and mildew and moldy. So if you have suggestions on what I can do with that, let me know. Alright guys, I just finished making this garlic and corn carbonara. Looks amazing. Like I said, totally goes against everything I just said at the beginning of the vlog, but this is what came in my crate from that local place. You don't get to pick what goes in it, you just subscribe to the crate. So this looks amazing. We're gonna eat some dinner, and I want to cook a couple more recipes tonight just to kind of like meal prep a little bit, but starting to lose some steam, so I don't know if it's gonna get there or not, but I'll keep you guys updated. Hello guys, it is the next day. I got so tired last night. I did end up making a cheddar zucchini bread loaf last night, but then I went to bed and was just so tired. So I'm here the next day just to close out the vlog. Hope you enjoyed the grocery haul and just some little updates. And yeah, I'll have more videos, like I said, once the Peloton comes in, so stay tuned for that. And as always, I hope to catch you on the next video. Bye!